This is a brand new 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. All of the following features are included: cooled seats, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a low tire pressure indicator, running boards, roof rails, fog lamps, a stability control system, memory seat controls, and power adjustable gas and brake pedals enable you to change their height and distance to fit your body rather than you fit to their positions. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
James Wood Auto Park is located at 3906 Interstate 35E South in Denton. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.